Now, Simeon and Levi are brethren. Instruments of cruelty are in their habitations. Why? Because you go and look, listen, them Levites, they won their independence, sort of. You understand? Because they was not playing with that voodoo or that Santeria. You understand? Dominicans too. Dominicans is so wicked. They over there killing their brothers. Why is they killing their brothers on the same island? Well, it goes into, oh my soul, come not thou between their secret. Unto their assembly mine honor be not thou united. For in their anger they slew a man, and in their self-will they dig it down the wall. So his father said, y'all two can't come together. Y'all two come together. Y'all burn down the wall, burn down the world. So both of these tribes are on the same island. We already proved that Israelites were on Hispaniola. So now we know that these is the tribe of Levi. Cursed be their anger, for it was fierce, and their wrath, for it was cruel. I will divide them in Jacob and scatter them in Israel. And they're divided until when? Until Shiloh come. Until Yahweh Shah came. And now you come into New York, man, you see Officer Chaataza, and you see Officer Zaka Ward. You see a Haitian and a Dominican. You see Simeon and Levi joined together, and their habitations ain't cruelty no more. Now they trying to wake up the 12 tribes of Israel. Next slide.